room 12? I'm new here.
It's way back there. You went wrong.
I want to go home. I want Mom.
Don't be late. Don't be late! Please don't be late!
Oh no. Everyone is looking at me.
You must be Lily Watson?
Yes, I'm sorry I'm late.
Come in, Lily. Don't worry. Lily? You're already awake?
I couldn't sleep, Mom.
Are you nervous about today?
A little bit, yes.
That's okay, sweetheart.
Lily, hurry up in there!
Wait, Tom, I'm brushing my teeth.
Tom, eat your breakfast.
Dad, is Lily scared today?
She is a little nervous.
Me too. New schools are scary.
Sit down, Lily. Eat something.
I'm not hungry, Mom.
Just a little bit, okay?
Lily, you look nice today.
Thank you, Tom.
Lily, come here.
Yes, Dad?
You are going to be great.
What if no one likes me?
They will like you.
Time to go. Car, everyone!
Yes! Let's go, Lily! Mom, wait.
What is it, sweetie?
I feel sick.
You're nervous, that's all.
Are you sure?
Can I sit by the window?
You always sit by the window, Tom.
Tell me one good thing
About what?
about today. One good thing.
I can make one friend?
Yes, that's perfect.
I'll be your friend, Lily.
You're my brother, Tom. We're here.
Yes, we are. Remember, you are brave.
I'll try, Dad.
That's all I ask.
I love you, Lily.
I love you, Mom.
Lily, don't forget!
Don't forget what?
Make one friend! You said so!
Okay, Tom. Okay, room 12. Excuse me, where is room 12?
Down there somewhere.
Room 12, room 12. I think it's this way. Room 22, room 20, room 18. This is wrong. These are all wrong. Please, room 12? I'm new here.
It's way back there. You went wrong.
Don't be late. Don't be late! Please don't be late!
Hey, watch out! Oh, sorry. No.
I'm really sorry. Are you okay? I'm fine.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Do not cry at school. Room 12. I found it. But look at me. Okay,
I can do this.
just open the door. Oh no. Everyone is looking at me.
You must be Lily Watson?
Yes, I'm sorry I'm late.
Come in, Lily. Don't worry.
Why is she wet? Hi, I'm Sophie. Oh, hi, I'm Lily. I have a tissue, if you need one. Thank you.
Class, let's welcome Lily Watson.
Welcome, Lily!
Today we will work in pairs. Lily, you work with Sophie.
Did you just start here today? Yes, we moved last week. Oh, welcome, let's do this. I got lost this morning. Everyone does on day 1.
Lily, can you answer this?
Is it 7?
That's exactly right, Lily.
Okay, I got one answer right. Maybe today's not all bad.
Good work, everyone. Break time.
10 minutes outside!
Where do I go? Lily, come here!
This is Lily. She's new. Hi, Lily. I'm Mia. Hey. Where did you move from?
Not far, about 1 hour away.
Do you like sports, Lily?
I like swimming.
Swimming? That's boring.
Oh,
Ignore her. She says that about everything.
okay.
Where is the lunchroom?
I don't know this school at all. Okay, found it. Now where do I sit?
Sophie! She's there! She's with Chloe.
Lily, sit here! Thank you. This is Tom's lunch. Oh no, we switched bags. What's wrong? I have my little brother's lunch. It has dinosaurs on it, and that's not all.
You can share my lunch, Lily.
Really? Thank you, Mia.
So, how was your morning, honestly?
Honestly, everything went wrong. I got lost, I got wet, I was late, and I have a dinosaur lunchbox.
My first day here, I cried in the bathroom.
Really? I tripped on my first day, in front of everyone. Oh no, what did you do?
For this project, choose your partner.
Obviously. Okay, good.
What should our project be about? What about our first day at school?
That's actually a great idea.
My first day has a lot of material.
What's your project about?
Lily's first day here. It's genius.
How are you doing, Lily?
Better now. Much better.
You handled this morning well.
I did?
You stayed. That was brave. 5 more minutes, everyone.
We're almost done.
See you tomorrow, Lily?
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Lily! Same table tomorrow at lunch?
Yes, same table. I did it. I actually did it. Ah!
Lily! I had your lunch!
I know, Tom. I had yours.
How was it? Tell me everything. Everything went wrong.
But then it got better.
Yeah?
First I got lost. Then I got wet.
Wet? How wet?
A whole water bottle on my dress.
That is so bad.
And then you walked into class, soaking wet?
Soaking wet, late, in front of everyone.
That took real courage, Lily.
Miss Green said that too.
Did you make a friend?
Yes, Tom. I made 2 friends.
2? You said 1.
I seen it all.
What are their names?
Sophie and Mia. Sophie is really kind.
Sit down. Snack time.
Mom, I ate a dinosaur lunch today.
Was my lunch okay? It has my favorite sandwich.
It was really good, Tom.
Tell me about Sophie.
She gave me a tissue before she even knew my name.
That's a good person.
Yeah, she really is.
You know what I'm proud of?
What?
You opened that classroom door. Wet dress, late, scared. You opened it anyway.
I almost didn't.
But you did. That's what brave is.
Doing it even when you're scared? Dad! Lily! Dinner is ready! Mom made your favorite, Lily!
Tomorrow will be easier.
Will it?
Every day gets easier. You know the hallways now.
Next time I'll check my lunchbox.
Good idea, Tom.
Next time, pack 2 lunches.
Pack 3, just to be safe. Lights out soon, okay?
Mom, can I ask you something?
Of course, sweetie.
Were you ever scared on your first day?
Very scared. Then one girl sat with me, and everything changed.
Sophie was my one girl today.
Yes, she was. Be Sophie to someone tomorrow.
I will.
I love you, Lily Watson.
I love you, Mom.
Lily?
Yes, Tom?
I'm glad you're okay.
Me too, Tom. Sophie. Miss Green. I made 2 friends. I exceeded the goal. I'm ready.
Did you check your lunchbox?
Yes, Tom, I checked.
Ready, Lily?
Ready.